Okay, Max has a new thing of surprise eggs. Whoa, look at all those eggs. Max, come on, what'd you get? What's in there? What is it? Show Mommy. What is it? Oh, Minion. Oh, look at him. He's a pirate. Oh, you got another egg? What's in there? A green ball. Shake, shake, shake. What's in there? Show Mommy. What is it? A ring. Shake it. Say help. What's inside? A penguin. Whoa, cool. Shake, shake. Ooh, a pink ball and a sticker. Wow, cool. Whoa, that's a pretty sparkly egg, and it's pink. Pink egg. Whoa, what's in there? A little guy? Is it a doggy? Whoa, it's a dog. What is it? Another sticker. Ooh. Want help? Okay. Go try again. Try again. Throw it harder. Yay, it opened. What is it? A Minion? Ooh, a little one. Do 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 do. Do do do. Yeah, he doesn't like to stand up. Huh. Whoa. Did you find it? Yay, it was hiding. Oh. What is it? Another little guy? Do 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 do. Yay. It's another Minion. Wow. What's that? A ring. Can you shake it? Whoa! A bracelet. Whoa, a slap bracelet. It's okay. Come get a new one. Come on. I'll get it. I'll get it. Come here. Come get a new egg. There's still more. There's 3 left. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'll get it. Open these and then I'll get it. Whoa, another Minion. Doo, 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 doo. Ooh, a bouncy ball. Bouncy, bouncy. Whoa, cool. Hey, it went in your potty chair. The bouncy ball went in your potty chair. Funny. Go look. It bounced in your owl chair. Go look at the chair. Your potty. Your pee-pee chair. Go look. It's inside it. Go look in it. It bounced in there. Funny. You did it. You got it in there. Yeah.
This kid makes stains like you would not believe. So when we had him, I bought one of those HD washing machines. But it took forever.
That's all of them. Now he closes his eyes so I can do it all over again. Don't look. Wow, you're looking. Close your eyes. Say bye-bye.